Hey, good morning, YouTube. I wanted to give you a quick update for today. We have tariffs going in Canada and Mexico from the U.S., and Canada and Mexico both responded with their own sets of tariffs. Tariffs from the U.S. are about between 25% on most things, 10% on energy from Canada, and the ones that come back are also about 25%. And so this is going to already have a reaction in the crypto market, and the stock market hadn't been open, so how's it going to react? Let's look at that and be ready for what you should do. So we'll get right into it. So number one, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down. You'll see it's down to 95. It's an opportunity to buy. Well, it's only like 10% down from where it was before. So if you look at the 1 year chart, it's really just down to where it was back here in November. Not really an opportunity. Maybe it's a dip. Go out here to Solana and same thing. Look at the 7-day chart. It's down to 199. It was up to 239. Look at the 1 year. And it's down about where it was back in November. And then go to the ETH price and say, here's a month, 3,600 to 2,600. Pretty good drops. We go 1 year, and it is back at the price it was in November. We look at the 5-year chart. This dip, percentage-wise, is $1,000, $1,400 off the peak. So a third off of the peak that Ethereum has had. With Solana, if you look here, it's still relatively around where the peak is. So, what the opportunity is, when the stock market opens, some things are going to act like Bitcoin, 10%. Some things are act like Ethereum, be a third off their peak. Just depends on what they are. The way I approach this is I have Ally stock, a Home Depot, VIG index fund, Walmart, and I'm looking between Pepsi and Coke. I'll share that with you, a video I have on the money moves I've made lately. I look at houses and things. I don't think this is going to have any effects on the house prices or people closing or the availability of money, number one. I also looked at some coins today, and things selling on eBay really haven't been affected by this. I have seen a situation where investors get nervous and they'll drop out of a deal, or they'll say no, I won't sell it, and then a month later interest rates will be pushing and they'll sell it. And so look for this as an opportunity to buy something that you were looking to buy anyway and you would like to own more of. From me, I own a good amount of Home Depot. I need to buy some, not in my education IRAs, because I'm going to have to sell those at some point, and so I could acquire it in my HSA account to try to replace that to stay at the same level Home Depot. I could acquire more Walmart, which I would like, Ally, or maybe Pepsi, or VIG, depending on how bad it gets. And I guess we will see. I don't know how the market's going to react. 10% could be off the peak, like Bitcoin, or a third off for some things like Ethereum. I don't know what else is going on, but I wanted to share that with you this morning so you can be ready to take action. Think through it before it happens, before your mind is triggered by the emotions of your stocks and things dropping and your questioning of your decision point. Make the decision what you're going to do, and then as it happens, then do that, right? Maybe something you want to acquire. Maybe you acquire a third more like you wanted this morning when the stocks are low. And if it drops another 50% the next week, then, maybe you acquire another set as it drops to get in a better price point. But I hope this helps you make rational decisions on what you're going to buy and when you're going to buy them. Buy low, sell high when you need the money for better opportunity. And I will talk to you later. Bye.